This is the easiest dashboard you can make to compare your budget and actual spend. But first, if you want to follow along, grab the free template from the description below. It includes practice sheets, solve sheets, along with a complete step-by-step written guide. Now let's start by calculating variance. For that, we'll simply subtract budget from actual. Press shift down arrow, then control D to copy paste the formula to the cells down below. Now to calculate variance percentage, divide the variance amount with the budget. Paste the formula down below. Now we'll calculate variance by category. For that, we'll use SUMIF. Select the category range, lock it using F4 so we can drag the formula down without any errors. Select revenue as the criteria for SUMIF, pressing F4 thrice to only lock the column. Lastly, we'll select our budget range to be summed. Press enter and drag this formula to COGS and OPEX. Copy the same formula to actuals but change the sum range from budget to actuals. Now we'll calculate the variance percentage the same way as we did earlier, which is the difference of actual and budget divided by budget. To calculate budgeted gross profit, simply subtract budgeted COGS from budgeted revenue. Repeat the same for actual gross profit, then calculate its variance. Our operating expense, also known as EBIT, equals to gross profit minus the operating expense. Once we've calculated EBIT variance, we'll click anywhere on our primary table, then click Ctrl A to select the entire dataset. Go to Insert tab and click Pivot Table. Since we have a lot of space on this sheet, we'll insert it underneath the table 1. Now put category into rows while budget, actuals and variance amount goes in values. Under Pivot Table Analyze at the top, click Insert Slicer and select Category to be our filter. Right-click on the slicer, then cut and paste it on the dashboard. Now we'll start linking our calculations on it. Click the empty box of total budget in the formula bar, type an equal sign, then select total sum of budget from the pivot table. Repeat the same for total actuals. You can see how our values will change based on the selection in the slicer. Now let's fill the topmost KPI cards the same way using our second table, linking the corresponding values in the formula bar of each cell. Our dashboard still looks quite empty because we've reserved the space to add charts. For the first one, let's select entire table 2 except the variance percentage column. Choose cluster column in Insert tab. Rename the chart, paste it on the dashboard. Go back to your input sheet, select all the revenue accounts, hold Control key and select the related actual figures. Insert a donut chart and now you can visualize the contribution of each revenue stream to the entire revenue amount. Rename the chart to revenue mix, cut and paste it on the dashboard and you've just created your first budget versus actuals dashboard.